Okay, so here are the answers. Answers are written. You just check your answers. So as I said, you have to multiply divisors into quotient of 8 16 8 are 128. So 15 7 are 105, 11 8 are 88, 17 6 are 102, 12 5 are 16 that way. If you can directly multiply, well and fine. If no, just write one by one and multiply. And these are the answers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. 128, 105, 88. 102, 60, 190, 117, 54 and 126. Please check your answers. Pause the video and check your answers. If everything is fine, then very good. Just close your book. That's it. Okay? Enough. Next you have division of 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. We'll do it later. Now I'll be doing the revision for your midterm exam. So in the next class, at least one part I'll do, then we'll continue the revision, okay? So now I want you all to close your books. So close all the books and just look at the board. Fine children, as I said, now we will be starting with the revision. So before I start the revision, let me tell you one thing clearly. There are 7 chapters for the exam. First one, it's number system, where you have Indian system, international system and all. Then Roman numeral, 1 to 100 Roman numeral, addition with and without regrouping, subtraction with without regrouping with word problems, and multiplication. These 5 chapters. And then one is pattern, which is very simple, just 1 page. And one more lesson is about the money. Okay. So now we'll not do the revision from the beginning. We'll do from the last. Okay. Money chapter revision. Let us do now. Just now we have learned it, no? So we'll start with that only. And one more thing, after the class, there is no homework today, but I will send some question on the money chapter. It will be like a revision, and you have to solve it in your classwork. Backside, where you write practice test in the same place. Okay, there you have to continue. Practice for midterm exam you have to write, and you have to continue. Is that okay? So let us start the revision of money chapter. So recently I have learned this chapter. So what all things are there in the money? Very simple. Rupees and paise will be given. You have to write it in the decimal form. What do you mean by decimal? Which has a decimal point. That is decimal form. Then from the decimal to rupees and paise, and sometimes in the mixed number, as a mixed number, like as a fraction. And then word problems, where you have addition and subtraction, and sometimes both together. So let us once we'll revise each thing. First one, how to write the given rupees and paise in the decimal form. Simple it is. It will be given like 58 rupees 10 paise. Then how you will write the decimal form? One thing you have to remember. After decimal point in this chapter, after decimal point always 2 digit must come. Okay, now here it's 10 paise, there are 2 digit. If it is 5 paise, then you have to write 05, but 2 digit must come. Okay, now how to write it in the decimal form? First the symbol, rupees, very important. Before decimal point, the rupees part will come, that is 58, and after decimal point, paise part will come, that is 10 paise. So it will be rupees 58.10. Whenever you say point, you have to read it as an individual number, 58.10. Or else you can read it as 58 rupees 10 paise. Is that clear? Now this is given as rupees and paise. We have written it as in the decimal form. In case if it is 7 paise, how you have to write? 58.07, because 2 digit must come there. So is that clear? Okay. Now in this form it will be given. You have to write it as rupees and paise. That is the simple. Rupees 110 here, 0.65 here. It may be 1 digit, 2, 3 or 4, it won't make any difference, but here 2 digit must come. So how to write it? 110 rupees 65 paise. That's it. Okay. This is rupees and that is paise. Now this is how you can write in as rupees and paise. say. Now I said no, some mixed number, how to write? Again it is simple. Now for example, if it is the same number, how to write it in a mixed as a mixed number? 110 is same. 65 you have to write as 65 by 100. Because the 65 paise out of 100 paise, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise now, so you have to write it as 65 by 100. Okay? I'll give you one more example. Rupees 9.25. How to write it as mixed number? Rupees 9. 25 you have to write as 25 by 100. Am I clear? So this is called as a mixed number. Is that clear? So this is what you have in the first page of my money chapter. And sometimes you have to write as paise also. For example, 12 rupee 50 paise is equal to dash paise. How to write? You have to multiply by 100, but here there is an easy method. You have to just remove the point. 1250, 1250 paise. If you have to convert it into paise, the actual method is multiplied by 100. That is same as removing the point. So is that clear? This is what you have in the first page of money chapter. Correct, no? 112. You need not open any book there. Just look at the board. Okay, that's it. In this page, the same thing is given. And in the second page, word problems are there. So, if I want to explain about the word problems, again it is simple. So, what you have is sometimes only one operation will be there. Either it's addition or subtraction. For example, Aman had rupees 500 and Roshan had rupees 400. What is the total amount they both have? So total is addition. You have to write as a part, amount Aman had 400, amount Roshan had 500 or something. Therefore total amount, write down and add. While writing, if it is only 400, write as 400.00. So when you write the second number, it will be easy to add. Okay, plus symbol, and you get some answer. Here you have to write with the symbol. In the statement side also you have to write. That is about the word problems. Okay. Then sometimes both the operations will be together, addition and subtraction. How to do it? I'll explain in the next part.